the next step is for me to make my photo strip. I want to do the exact same photo strip using the exact same design elements. So I'm going to click File, make a copy, and I'm going to change this to a 600 by 1800. So custom size, there it is. Or you could just type it in right here. So we're going to resize this. Yes, it looks small. That's okay. So what I'm going to do first thing before I get myself confused, I'm going to just label this 2x6. And I'm going to start grabbing all these design elements and filling up my page. So that's the reason why I like to do the copying, because it's a lot faster. And I can just use the exact same elements and just start replicating them throughout the photo strip. So I'll turn this around, put that down there. The designing gets pretty easy. That's why I always ask you guys, I always ask the customer ahead of time, please provide me with the um, invitation. That way, when we come to designing, it's super quick and easy. And as long as you stick with their elements, there's no reason why you're going to get it wrong. There are those few occasions, though, that they're like, no, my photo strip has nothing to do with the designs. It's rare, but you'll get those customers. All right, so it looks like I'm almost done. And then I'll probably just add the date on the photo strip. Most people on for photo strips, they'll want the date. So 11.15.25. I'll probably make this just a little bit smaller. And then 21st birthday, I'll make a little bit bigger. So it looks like I'm done. Now I'm just gonna hit share and I'm done with my photo strip. So you could see how simple, how quick this is. It shouldn't take you any more than 5 to 10 minutes to do this. If you guys are spending too much time on this, that's fine, but just keep in mind time is money.